Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Bitmoji facial expression in Snapchat. So by that I mean, like, let's click on this Bitmoji icon over here at the top, or your profile icon. So right now my Bitmoji expression is mask wearing. So if I want to change it to an angry one or a happy one, I can do it easily. But before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So to change a Bitmoji facial expression on Snapchat, first you need to create a Bitmoji if you guys haven't created it, because this feature is only available after you create the Bitmoji. So first create a Bitmoji if you guys haven't, and after you guys have created the Bitmoji, you can follow my steps. So you can scroll down at the bottom until you see the select selfie option. You can click on select selfie option, and all the emotions are gonna be over here. So there's gonna be a bit of dreamy one, a bit of happy one as well, a bit of angry one, all type over here. So let's say I want the angry one. I can click on it and click on done. Wait for some time and it's changed. So if I want to change it to happy one, I can just click on select selfie. So this is a happy one, and I can click on done. Go up and it's changed. So that's basically how you guys can do it, and you can choose whichever expression you want available on select selfie. So that's basically how you guys can change your Bitmoji facial expression on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, comment down below if you guys have any question related with this video. I'll be happy to answer you guys and solve your problem. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out. Have a nice day.